Hi, everyone. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. That's a myth. The popping sound actually comes from tiny gas bubbles inside your joint fluid bursting when you stretch the joint. It doesn't damage bones, cartilage, or ligaments. Arthritis happens from wear and tear, age, genetics, injuries, or autoimmune conditions, not from knuckle cracking. At worst, cracking too hard may cause temporary swelling or reduced grip strength, but not arthritis. So relax, your joints aren't getting ruined. The sound is annoying, not dangerous.
Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button.